Okay, let's take a closer look at our next institution, the Karaikudi Institute of Technology and Karaikudi Institute of Management. Now, if you're thinking about this college for your engineering admissions, the one number you absolutely have to remember is its TNEA Code, 5533. Let's dive in and see what it's all about.
All right, first things first, let's get the basics down. Who they are, and more importantly, the official approvals that tell you they're a legitimate, recognized institution. This is really the foundation of trust.
And there it is, the number you'll need for your TNEA application. Make a note of it, 5533. That's the official college code.
So, this college has been around for a while now. It was established back in 2011, which means it's a self-financing engineering college with more than a decade of experience under its belt.
Academically, it operates under the umbrella of Anna University, Chennai. So you know the curriculum and examination standards are set by one of the state's top technical universities. And here's the big one, a real non-negotiable for any engineering student. Yes, it holds current approval from the AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. That's a huge tick in the box.
So, let's put all that together. What does it mean for you? It's a co-ed, self-financing college located in Sivaganga district. Your way in is through TNEA counseling. And you'll want to pay close attention to the seat allocation. 65% of the seats are filled via the government quota, while the other 35% are for the management quota.
You know, it's always interesting to understand why a college was started. What was the purpose? So let's look at the mission that drives this campus.
The college is promoted by a local body, the Annamalaya Educational and Charitable Trust, which is based right there in Karaikudi.
And this gets to the heart of their mission. Their objective is really clear. They were founded to promote education with a special focus on developing the needy and underprivileged communities, particularly in the rural areas of South Tamil Nadu.
So, with a mission like that, what about the actual courses? Let's check out the engineering programs you can apply for in the 2026 admission year.
Right now, they offer a total of 8 different Bachelor of Engineering, or BE, programs. Let's see what's on the list.
Here's the full lineup for you. You've got the 5 original branches that started with the college back in 2011. Civil, CSE, ECE, EEE, and Mechanical. And then you've got 3 much newer additions.
And this is where things get really interesting. You can see the college is adapting to what the industry wants. Starting in 2025, they've brought in 3 new age branches: AI and data science, agricultural engineering, and food technology. That's a clear sign they're trying to stay current.
Okay, academics are crucial, but what's life actually like on campus? Let's talk about the practical things, the facilities that support the students' day-to-day.
For students who'll be staying on campus, you're covered. They have separate, permanent hostels for both boys and girls, and the mess caters to both vegetarian and non-vegetarian diets, so there are options for everyone.
If you're a day scholar, the college runs its own bus service that covers the Karaikudi region. And for connectivity, the nearest major railway station is Karaikudi Junction, which is about 15 kilometers away from the campus.
Now, what about financial aid? Eligible students can access a whole range of scholarships here. You've got the government schemes for SC/ST, BC/MBC, and first graduates, as well as scholarships for minority communities. On top of that, there are the dedicated AICTE scholarships like Pragati for girl students and Saksham for specially abled students.
And that brings us to the big one. The question that's probably on the mind of every student and parent watching this right now.
After 4 years of hard work, what are the career outcomes? What about placements?
Well, according to the data provided by the college itself, they've reported a placement percentage of 90%.
Now, it's always important to understand where this data comes from. This 90% figure is for the 2025 batch, and this information was self-reported by the college directly to the Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions Authority.
And just a quick note before we finish up, all the information we've covered in this explainer has been sourced from the college's official website and trusted government portals, as of the time we prepared this. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.